Come test drive the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, power passenger seat, power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, fog lights, compass, power windows, heated steering wheel, security system, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry. Come see the car for yourself.